Hello and welcome back to the channel. This one's on the wood burning boiler stove I'd fitted well, a few years ago now, and it's a multi-fuel stove. It's got a bit of coal in there which we had to keep it going overnight. Has two vents, one at the bottom and an air wash vent at the top, which is supposed to keep the screen clean, but at the moment obviously it's been going overnight so it's a bit grubby. It does clean the soot off that when it's going. And also I put a butterfly in, a valve in the flue, so you can, well, it's a damper they call them, so it just reduces the airflow out. Okay, there's the, excuse the cobwebs, there's the register plate and the flue liner going up. Make sure the flexible liner goes up and doesn't come this side of the register plate. It's important that this pipe, the flue, goes up inside and then you connect the register plate, the other side of the register plate. This has two access holes in it, and this is the pipe work. It's a 4 connecting stove on the back. The 4 connectors, excuse the dust and the dirt on the back there. Does need a bit of a clean actually, but there you go. And then here we have a thing called an injector tee, and that gives you the Venturi effect. And basically you can't have the system running with the pumps. This is a pump system, but you have to be able to be gravity fed for the upstairs radiators for the heatsink radiator. So you must put an injector tee in there, and that's how that works. Also, this system is pumped, and I've got a pump in there which has got a pipe stat on it which starts the pump up at 50 degrees. So when it's gravity fed, the water rises, heats up the gravity pipe switch, pipe stat, kicks the pump in 50 degrees. I have 2 pumps, one on this system and one on the bathroom system. So that's that. I'll show you the also drain off valves. Important to note, drain off valves on the, you need to drain the system down. I do put inhibitor in there as well, and also the pipe work coming out the stove. On the they're 22mm pipes, but you must use inch pipe, 25mm pipe, copper pipe that is. Must be 25mm pipe, inch pipe. You cannot use 3/4 pipe on 22mm on the whole system. One of them has to be a big bore pipe like that. This radiator here is the kitchen radiator. That was the one that runs on the small 22mm pipe, as does the bathroom radiator, which I shall show you. That's the bathroom radiator. That runs on one system with one pump. The pump is in the loft for that. That has got valves on it, obviously. That doesn't matter. You can do what you like with the 2 here because they're not on the heat sink one. Okay. Up here we have where the pipes come up from downstairs. I've boxed those in, but it still needs a bit of work. This pipe here coming up the wall, this is the expansion pipe. Again, it must be inch pipe. Goes up into the expansion tank into the loft. The expansion tank has to be metal. It can't be plastic. Reason being, if the pipe overflows into the expansion tank, potentially it could melt the tank. Unlikely if it was a plastic tank, but that's what they say. So that's the regulations. This is a heatsink radiator. Note there's no valves. This is in our bedroom. No valves. It's straight through. So this is on the gravity fed system, this part, and then when the pump kicks in, the pump takes over on that, on the Venturi effect, and it pumps the water around. And that's about it really. Hope this helps everybody or anybody. Thanks for watching.